Bring on the rain. Bring on the rain. Somebody was codependent on an energy. They will be taking their power back. When you take your power back, collective, bullied you to let go, killed you and her. They bullied you. I put a spell on you. They made wishes. They may have actually done spells. Brady, something is happening in 2 weeks. There is a technology detox going to happen. Somebody has lost a pawn move. The best things in life are free and you don't have to force them. Somebody who has a mustache, Nevaeh, Little Lamb, Layla, Kenton, Barrack, 10 out of 10. Behind that one. So young, a child's woes. Before the cops come, they hurt a child. They kept them distracted. They shot them. They wanted to shoot out their energy, block them, shot in the head. Somebody possibly could be an unaliving. Could be that, but wait in the truck. Just wait in the truck. Excuse me. An apology without change. I am drowning. Sometimes you gotta shake them awake. Have mercy. Somebody is going to want mercy for everything that they did to you, collective. The tables have turned. Flip that coin. And someone is at the top, someone's at the bottom. The balancing of scales. What is done in the dark must come to light. Shine that light. Be the tower.